Hey everybody, it's Neil, and it's like the Christmas light season. You ever get the Christmas lights and then you're like, oh no, I don't have the little adapter that plugs into the wall and all I have are those weird plugs. Well, this here is your solution to that. So what we have here is the little plug that plugs into the wall, and then we even have an extender wire here, so we could plug this in and then we could wire up our own little device on it as well even too. So we have the little, so if you just need a replacement of one of these, which is what I needed, you could just use that, or you can just plug this into it here. It'll plug in, I'm looking right into the light, but into it there, and it's going to convert it. I think it goes to 12 volts. Isn't that what it says it does? Output is 12 volts, so now you'll have a 12 volt, so similar to what a car has. So you can wire up a device yourself if you needed a 12 volt component. So how cool is that? So super neat. Yeah, it says output is 12 volt. So yeah, it's nice. And you get a set of 2 of these in here. So I got a second one, and we have some instructions as well. Let's see what the instructions say. Comes with, I guess, power adapter usage. So I guess you can kind of read that if you really need any information on it. And here as well, you probably pause it and zoom in. What does the other side say? Please check the voltage. Make sure you're using the right voltage, I guess. And thank you for using it. So cool. So oh, that's just to contact them on Amazon. So super cool. I like it. Thumbs up.